Hello guys, welcome to SatoWallet channel. I'm going to be showing you how to make use of UBIQ on SatoWallet app. Well, the app is divided in, there are three versions of the app. That is one on Play Store, one on App Store, and that is the PC version. Okay, let's go to the website and see at SatoWallet.com. Well, we're going to use the PC version because all of them have the same interface, and I've already installed the PC version on my PC and I've already signed in, so we're gonna use the PC. Well, here is the PC version, and all you need is an email account and set your password, and then you're good to go. And this Google Authenticator is another layer of security to make sure your funds are secure on cold storage. This is the amount I have right now in my wallet. And these are the available coins on the wallet and the app. So we are gonna look for UBIQ right now. Okay, UBIQ is right here. Okay, UBIQ is $0.5, one UBIQ. And we can also use this search bar to actually look for UBIQ, which is a lot more easier than the scrolling. Okay, UBIQ. Okay, let me click on. Okay, this is the amount I have in my UBIQ right now, and this is the equivalent amount of UBIQ in USD, which is 0, and because I haven't made any trade in UBIQ. So if you want to send a UBIQ coin to a friend, just click this send here and type in their address. This is not a real address, it's just a sample. And type in the amount you probably want to send. Let's say 34. This is the amount in USD, and this is the fee deducted. But if you want to decrease the amount, you can click here. If you want to add, you can click here, and you can add a comment like say hey to a friend. Then click on transfer to actually make your transfer. Then if you want to receive, you can come here, and the person you're receiving from will actually have to scan this barcode or use this address right here. Okay, this is pretty much about buying and selling. Let's move to CoinSwap. Well, CoinSwap is a auto exchange. This is from currency, so we're gonna use UBIQ because it's the currency you're swapping from. UBIQ. Okay, UBIQ is right here. Okay, and let's choose any other coin to make an example. Let's use this ABJ coin commerce. Okay, amount to swap, let's say 23 UBIQ. Okay, amount exceeds my balance because in my UBIQ I have 0, and this is kind of warning me. So if you want to decrease, then you can use this button right here and increase. You can use this. Okay, so when I decrease, you see this swap coins button actually shows up because this amount doesn't exceed my balance. Okay, and this 1 UBIQ is equal to 0.5 USD, and 1 UBIQ is also equivalent to 7.8 ABJ coin commerce. Okay, let's move to exchange. This is the market, and these are the available coins you can exchange with. Look for UBIQ. Okay, UBIQ BTC to UBIQ. Okay, wow, this is pretty huge transaction. Well, this data you're seeing here, the bid and the ask, is the amount of trade between BTC and UBIQ on SatoWallet. This is just for today. I mean, the day is not even over yet, and this refreshes every 24 hours. And okay, this part is for buying and this part is for selling. So okay, let's type in amount in UBIQ. Let's do 12. Okay, 12 is going to show the equivalence in dollars, which is 6.2, and price in BTC. Let's say 12 as well. Okay, this is one in dollar. Do the same thing here. Yeah, okay, if you want to buy, you click here, and if you want to sell, you can click here. Clicking either of these buttons means you're actually making an order. So there is an order here. If you make an order, you can come here and see your order, and if you want to go on with the order, you can cancel the order here. There's going to be a cancel button here, and you can cancel. And if you want to make another order, then you can go back to trade and order again. And this is the history of trade between BTC and UBIQ. These are the types, sells, and buys, the prices, and the amounts. Let's go to currency. Okay, I'm using USD right now, so I'm going to show you how to change from one currency to another currency. My fiat currency right now is USD, and it's a pretty long list of currencies right here. You can just choose anyone you want. Okay, let's choose one to make an example. Okay, let's go with Euro. Okay, it's gonna take some seconds to actually change. Okay, currency has been changed. Okay, let's go back to my coins. Okay, you see right here, before it was showing USD and now it's showing Euro because I just changed my fiat currency to Euro. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.